Are you getting pain on the outside of your knee? Maybe you've been told it's the ITB and you're getting a lot of friction. Well, what the recent research shows us is that that may not be the only thing that's occurring, and it may not be the most important thing. Now, with lateral knee pain, often you get it from a bit of repetitive movement. So originally we thought with this repetitive movement, you were getting some friction occurring from the bony bit that sticks out here across the tendon. Traditionally, a lot of people would maybe try foam rolling the ITB, but we know now that that is a dense piece of fascia and you can't really manipulate that. Often what's happening is actually things happening at the hip that we may be able to change as these muscles come into the ITB. But more importantly, a lot of the research now is showing that the structures that are getting irritated at the lateral knee are actually potentially the fat pad, which has a lot of nerves in them. So what we need to do is often calm down that fat pad, desensitize the area, and give you some progressive training to build you back into those positions, focusing on things around the hip and still around the quad. If there's any weakness around that area, then we know that that issue may still remain even though you're training. So a little bit more complicated. We've got to focus on a few other things, not just the ITB, and look at the whole picture. Try those out, see how you go.